Hi guys, my Naruto manga has arrived. I'm going to be doing an opening of it here. This is the second box set. The first one isn't going to arrive for some time now. But just happy that I got this one, even though I'm not going to be able to read it till the first box comes. Alright. Here we go. This is, I'm guessing how you open it. Yep. Mate. Oh crap. Okay. I didn't cover up my address. Oh. Oh, let's go. Naruto. I've got to put this massive sticker thing on it so I can't show you properly. This is so cool. Got the gang. Got Naruto, Sakura and Kakashi. Everyone else on the back. Sasuke and Naruto on the side. Oh wait, no, here we go, I can take this off. Let's see, alright. Alright, we're gonna take the plastic off, have a look at the volumes inside. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now open it for the first time. Includes full colour two-sided poster and a pilot mini comic. Oh, there it is. Oh, that looks so good. This is sick. Oh, this is actually so sick. This is absolutely 43 is big volume. Alright, let's have a look at the volume 28. There it is. Got all the Shonen Jump stuff. Let's have a look at that double-sided poster, though. Alright. I really don't want to rip this. Oh, this is sick. There we go. We got Naruto and Sasuke, and then Naruto on the big frog on the back. That's so cool. Alright. Let's put that back in there. Probably never going to take that out again. I might. And then we have a pilot chapter. I think this is the the pilot for Naruto. Pretty cool. Anything in the back? There you go. Naruto short story. Might read that later, because that's all I can read for now. There's no spoilers. We got Naruto and Sasuke on the top. I don't think there's anything in the back. Like, is there any, like a picture in the back of the box or anything? Doesn't seem that there is. So, there you go. That's my Naruto box set 2 opening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.